Back to the channel. On your screens you are looking at the stock price of Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, and today the stock is up 2.78% and trading at $2.58 a share. Yesterday the stock closed at $2.51 a share. It opened today quite high at $2.62 a share. In the course of today's trading, the stock went as high as $2.63 a share. The 52-week range for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric is from $1.65 all the way up to $12.60 a share. Today's volume is half of what it would typically be, with about 6.6 million shares that have exchanged hands with just 6 minutes to the closing bell. Average volume would typically be about 13 million. Also, the market capitalization for Faraday Future Intelligent Electric is now at $941.3 million US dollars. So if you guys remember, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric delayed the launch of their vehicle because they were short of funds, and now they were able to strike a deal and generate 600 million US dollars in funds. Furthermore, they will be opening a factory in California called the FFIE factory. I believe that's the name. So it's based out of California, and they will be producing electric vehicles there for the US domestic market and also for China. So lots of good things happening with Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. However, if you look at the 5-day graph, guys, you can see that the stock has dropped significantly, losing, I would say, more than 25% of its value over the past 5 trading sessions. So do be careful if you are investing in these EV startups, because it's very difficult to predict where the market goes, how consumer sentiment changes, and how things are going to play out in the future, especially with the return of those federal credits. You need to do a lot of soul searching and research and due diligence. That way you know what company will be able to look very pleasing to the eyes of not just investors but also consumers. And of course, when you have the customers coming, that is how the company builds value. So Faraday Future Intelligent Electric today is up 2.9%, and at the top of your screens you guys can see how Wall Street did exceptionally well today. So I just want to thank you for joining me once more. With 4 minutes to the closing bell, I will jump off here so you guys can put in your final trades for the day. Thank you, and catch you guys on the next one. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Bye now.